In this Kajabi course tutorial, I'm going to talk you through how to actually start building out your course, how to put those thumbnails together, and actually how to brand your own Kajabi course. So hey there, Tim Peakman here, and I am a Kajabi hero. I'm a Kajabi fan. The definition of a hero is anyone that's earned over $1,000 on their platform, and I've been using this platform for the last few years, building not one but multiple online businesses and helping clients build theirs using this awesome platform. And that's why I've created this program, how to create a Kajabi course step by step, to help people like you actually get started on this platform and get up and running with your first online course. But before we dive into any of the training, I first of all want to make you an offer. I want to offer you 30 days extended free trial of the Kajabi platform. That's over double the 14 days free trial available to the public just by using my link. Yes, it is an affiliate link. All that means is part of your payment will come back to me in support of this channel at no extra cost to you if you go over those 30 days. But you can simply get access. Go to timpeakman.com/Kajabi. And as a thank you from me, I'm going to grant you free access to my program, Kajabi Unboxed. This is what I would do if I was starting a new Kajabi account today. What I would do first, second, and third to open my account up and set it up in the right way, ready for scale. But if you continue to be a paying customer of Kajabi and go past those 30 days, reach out to me, tim@timpeakman.com. I will also grant you some awesome sales page templates. These are the sales page templates I use in my Kajabi account. You can simply download them and upload them into your account and use them in your business. But that's it for now. Let's dive straight on into the training. Hope you enjoy. So here we are back inside my partner's account, and at this stage of the course creation process, we have a title, we have a description. So if I go into the settings, Handstand Mastery from beginner to Balance Pro, we have a description of the program, but what we're going to need next is a product thumbnail here. So when we actually view this as a student, we need to see the thumbnail. And what I've done is I've gone into Canva and I've just created something that you potentially could use as a thumbnail to your course. So don't overthink this. I'm just going to give you a quick example of how I just got to this level of thumbnail. This is the Handstand Mastery thumbnail that I would use for the overall program. So I've just created a new blank canvas. And then if you click into the color wheel, I think I was creating the color here was the bottom left. Now Canva allow you to have these sort of cool two-tone colors now, and that's what I used. And I also, when I went into here, I went into elements and then background. Just clicked in background. I think it's one of the first ones I saw there, and that background was what I liked. So a quick tip in Canva: if you wanted to import it, you can just hover over the top left of your image and then it will come in like that. And then all I did is I clicked on the transparency and then I brought it down to, I think I brought it down to like maybe 20, 25 or something. So it just gives the background a little bit of texture, but it still pulls through the colors. So I was quite happy with 25% transparency. Then what I did is I actually went in and I made a square. So this is just the outside of it. So if I was to copy that and then paste onto here, all you can see is this is just a square, so a shape. So elements, and then when you go into here, you can go square, and then it was just one of these graphics here. And all I did is made it transparent. So this is the color. And then I gave the outline a white color here. So as you can see, it's white. And then all I did is I just framed the thumbnail by just moving this square all the way up to the edge. And yes, I did have to resize it, but that's how I put that on there. So then for the actual text itself, what I did is I selected a font that I was quite happy with. So this is the font that I liked. So I'm just going to copy this across and then paste it onto here. And then it's all a case of what color you wanted. So again, I just selected, I think it was this yellow color here, and then a size that you want. So I initially went for 120, but then I thought, okay, I may need it a bit smaller. I copied that and then pasted the word and then came down here and wrote mastery. And then what I wanted to do, because this mastery is a little bit smaller than handstand, I dragged this out so it was the same sort of size. And then when you move images around or text around in Canva, it shows you like where to go from like the left hand or where the center line is. And I did this as 2 text blocks so I could have them a little bit closer together and I could have a little bit more agency on how much I move here. Then I was almost there. Then what I wanted to do is went back into elements and then handstand. And then once you type that in, I was looking at graphics, and then it was this graphic here that I then changed this graphic to white. And then I pulled this across and then moved it wherever I wanted, wherever I thought looked good. And I pretty much had exactly what we have here. So once you're happy with that, all you need to do is click share. Let's make sure we've got that back. We've got the outline here, back onto the original one, and then move that all the way up. Then share, and then download. And then what I want to download is not both of them. I just want to download one of them. So select one, handstand mastery, download that. Now, once you've downloaded that onto your desktop, onto your computer, then handstand mastery, I'm just going to go back into Kajabi, go into settings, and then here I'm just going to scroll down, select an image, and then I'm going to click on the downloads handstand mastery, and then that looks good to me. Save, and then upload. So once Kajabi is happy with that, it's just going to look handstand mastery, save, and then that is going to be your thumbnail. And again, if these aren't your brand colors, don't use these colors, but make sure that you understand your brand colors and then use them in the thumbnail so you're congruent with everything you put out. So when you go to view this, I will be editing some of the layout in the next lessons, but you can see handstand mastery here. If that was my brand colors and that is what I taught, then I would be happy with that. So that's it. Hopefully you found value in this training and you can actually take action on something. If you haven't yet, open your Kajabi account, head to timpeakman.com/Kajabi, get 30 days free and take it for a spin and start building out your course today. And I look forward to seeing you on the next training.